everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this is the medium Ipsy Glam Bag. They do have an original, which is just a smaller bag. They have the ultimate, which is a $50 box. This is, I believe, $25 a month. I'm pretty sure it's $25 a month, but this is the ultimate, or I'm sorry, the Glam Bag Plus. So before we get started, I do want to let you know that I have my own online clothing boutique. If you're curious, nimities.com, links in the description bar down below. If not, that's okay too. So let's go ahead and get into the box. I do have all of my makeup on except for my eyes because there is an eyeshadow palette in here. But let's go ahead and open it up. Now I will say what's weird this month is that I've seen a couple of Plus unboxings and they have cards that have information on it. My card has no information on it. So there's that. However, I am going to bring up the website because it does have my products listed on the website and tells me information about them. So we're going to go ahead and read from the website as we go. All right, let's go ahead, and I'm actually going to dig into the box a little bit and pull this item out right here because I actually already have this item. So this is the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in Fair. I do have this foundation actually on today, and it's in the shade Fair, like I said. We're going to go ahead and read it right now, and it is already on my face, so you already see what it looks like. Now I do have it powdered and all the rest of my makeup on as well, but nonetheless I'm still wearing this foundation, which is kind of a little bit different though because the shade actually looks like this one is the one that I've already had, and the one over here is the one from the box. And the shades look like they might be a little bit different. Now, I don't know if that's just because of the packaging or what, but the shade that I have looks like it might be a hair darker than the one in the box. And one of the reasons why I don't wear this as often as I might is because it is, I don't know if the camera's picking up, it's probably about a half a shade darker than what I actually need. But, you know, I haven't worn this in a while. I oftentimes will do a foundation review on a foundation, wear it for a couple of times, and then I'm on to the next one because I do post foundation reviews every single Friday. So I haven't worn this in a while, and it looks nice on the skin. So there you go. Let's go ahead and read what it says. It says, why you'll love it. We found it, the perfect multitasking liquid foundation for fair complexions that improves the look of skin instantly and over time too. Hyaluronic acid helps your skin retain moisture and your makeup from settling into fine lines for a plump, dewy finish. Use it on the reg to brighten your skin tone, reduce the appearance of your pores, and smooth out fine lines thanks to a dose of niacinamide. Plant and fruit extracts give your skin its daily dose of vitamins for healthier, glowier complexion. And medium to full coverage pigments hide everything from redness to dark spots without feeling heavy or cakey. This is a full size and the MSRP is $40. All right, I think this one that I got in the box, I think I'm just going to donate this. I don't like to try to give away any sort of like complexion products because you guys, we're all different, right? We're all different. So I don't really like to give away complexion products because of that. So I think what I'm going to do is, this is sealed. I think I'm going to go ahead and actually donate this product. All right, let's go ahead and pull out the next item. I'm going to pull this out right here, which was right on top. This is from LaRousse, is what it looks like it says. This is the Essentials brush set, and this is the item that I did pick. And let's go ahead and open it. It's just in like a, you know, paper envelope. Okay. And then the brushes are inside. I'll go ahead and put the little envelope aside. So there are 5 brushes in here. And let's see what it says. I'm going to go ahead and pull them out of the packaging. I love to get brushes in boxes. I actually just got a whole eye set in my Ipsy Ultimate bag. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out of the plastic. So this is the LaRousse Essential Brush Set. It's very, very soft. All right, so it says why you'll love it. This specially curated brush set, which is handpicked by the Ipsy team, has all your makeup application needs covered, whether you're a beginner or a total pro. Built to perfection, this assortment contains top quality options for blending, shading, contouring, buffing, and setting, both powder and cream makeup formulas. Each brush has super soft synthetic bristles that are vegan, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic. And it says the full size MSRP is $154. Now, I don't really think this is worth $154, but that's just me. So it does come with a flat foundation brush, which is very, very soft. I don't think it's as dense as I prefer my foundation brushes to be, but I'll definitely give it a try. This is the Angle Contour, which again, super soft. Then we've got, well, this one looks like a concealer. Is it a concealer? Oh, it just says Kabuki, but this is like a concealer brush that I would use to do concealer. And then this looks like it's a tapered blending, so it looks like a little bit of a smaller blending brush. And then this is the shadow brush for placing shadow. So overall, I'm actually really pleased with that. I'm going to wash those up, and then when it gets to the end of the month and I do my month-end beauty box makeup look, I will use those brushes. Back into the box, this is something that I know I'm going to be giving away. This is from Il Makiage. Now, I got an Il Makiage mascara from, I think, Ipsy, and I am loving it. I've never seen this brand in a store, probably just because I just haven't like found it. I'm sure it's purchasable in a store. I just haven't found it, but I love the mascara. This is the ink liner. I am not going to open this because it is, I did look it up already. Actually, let me read it to you, but it is a felt tip liquid liner, and I don't like felt tips. I prefer brush tips. So this is going to go in my giveaway drawer, and one of you guys are going to get it. It's probably amazing, but I just don't use felt tip liners. So let's read what it says about this. It says, why you'll love it. Calling all cat eye noobs. This precise liquid liner is about to change your life. The elongated and flexible felt tip has a sharp point that makes creating lash-hugging lines and dramatic flicks a piece of cake. You'll never need to worry about smearing or smudging. This waterproof formula won't budge for up to 14 hours. The highly pigmented jet black shade delivers maximum color payoff in just one swipe, and it is a full size, and the MSRP is $21. So again, it's just going to go in my giveaway drawer for one of you all. Back into the box, I'll go ahead and pull the bag out. So this is the bag. It's kind of cute. It's not as cute as the other ones are. The other bags this month, I don't have them sitting here on my desk, were like a nice soft fabric. And this is soft, but it's like a pleather. I do like it though. And it's got a nice purple interior. But the other ones were like a velveteen material, and they were like super, super soft. I bet you they're probably going to get dirty real quick. But I do like this. I actually have a little black bag similar to this that I got in Ipsy that I use as like my travel purse. And I wouldn't mind using this as something like that as well, where I just like put a couple of credit cards, and I don't know that my cell phone would fit in here. Let's see. Probably not. I have a iPhone XS. Yeah, it just won't fit in through the zipper. So it would fit if it could get in through the zipper, but it can't. But anyway, I'll just throw a couple of credit cards in here, maybe a little bit of cash and my keys, and I will use something like this as like my travel purse. All right, the next item in here is this right here. This is from Dr. Botanicals. It's the Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. So let's go back. Sorry, I'm hitting back on my website since I don't have a card that describes it all. And we will read what this says. Let's open it while it's loading. All right, so it is a little tube, squeezy tube, and it does have a safety seal, which is very nice. So this says, why you'll love it. The bedtime is about to get even better thanks to this ultra nourishing leave-on mask that works its magic while you sleep. It's packed with antioxidant-rich pomegranate extract to help heal and hydrate your skin. This mask is as clean as they come. It's free from parabens and potentially irritating ingredients like synthetic perfumes and dyes, making it a safe choice for sensitive skin. It's PETA approved, so it's good for you and your furry friends too. And its MSRP is $12. All right. And then there's one more item in the box, which I'm going to be using for you all today. And it is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Sweater Weather eyeshadow palette. And It does have some texture, like it actually does have like an argyle feel to it. And this is what it looks like right here. It's just nice purples. So I'm going to go ahead and use this today. I'm going to go ahead and put the box on the floor just so I have a little bit more space in front of me. Let's go back over the items real quick and just talk about what they all are real quick. So I did get the full size, which is nice, the full size foundation, the 5-piece brush set, the liquid eyeliner, the sleeping mask, and then the eyeshadow. To be perfectly honest, I think that this box was $25. It's half the price as my Ultimate is, and I prefer this box over my Ultimate box. I just do. Anyway, I do have a mirror down here in front of me. I'm going to go ahead and grab a blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Sweater Weather and put that as a transition shade. I have tried Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadows a couple of times now, and so far I am liking the formula. So actually I've gotten another eyeshadow palette in a beauty box. I think it was from BoxyCharm though, not Ipsy. But I do have a couple of the palettes from Dominique Cosmetics. I've purchased one, and then I think, like I said, I think this is the second one that I've gotten in a beauty box. So the only thing that I would specifically call out on this is that it is all mattes, and I do typically wear at least one shimmer on my eyes. So that's one drawback to this. I would have to like use my highlighter or something to give it a little bit of shimmer, because I do like having a shimmer on my eyes. I'm going to go ahead in with the Cuddle shade, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid and see how pigmented that is with my shader brush. All right, so that is buildable, definitely. I'm going to go back in and just try to like soften the edges of that just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Chill, which is this blue shade. I'm going to take, I'm going to actually take this small tapered blending, go into Chill, and I'm going to use that as my outer corner and lower lash line shade. It looks like a blue purple, like an indigo shade, and it's just kind of unique, I think. So we'll see how this works on my outer corner and lower lash line. All right, you guys, so I'm not loving the way that that shade is blending on my right eye here, but I do have issues with sometimes different eyeshadows not blending very well on my right eye. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I just have more creases on my right eye or what, but I'm not loving the way that that is blending, and I am not the best at eyeshadow, but I can usually blend shadows out on the corners. So I'm not hating it, but I'm not loving it either. So I think I'm going to stop there. I did not use Toasty or Messy Bun. I'm going to go ahead and swatch those two and let you know what they look like. So that's Toasty and that's Messy Bun. The darker purple is Messy Bun. So that, oh, I didn't use Fuzzy either. So let me swatch Fuzzy. That's the really pale shade. And you can't even really see it on my skin tone, just barely. You might be able to pick it up there on my hand. All right, and I do already have like my mascara and everything on, so that's gonna be my look. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm definitely gonna give this more of a try. The Chill shade is super pretty in the palette. I'm just not sure how well that is transferring to my eyes, really, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's going to be it for that. All right. I hope you enjoyed my video. That's everything. That didn't take very long at all, really. But that's everything for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would appreciate your thumbs up down below. Sorry, I'm down here color switching my brushes, multitasking. That's what I always do all day, every day, inside and out. Anyway, if you did like the video, and my multitasking with my brushes and my color switch don't bother you too much, hit that like button down below. If you haven't already, I would appreciate a subscribe. About 60% of my viewers don't hit subscribe. I don't know why. I mean, I'm super fun, right? Anyway, if you would like to, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. What do you think of my Ipsy Plus box? I actually really like this way more than my Ipsy Ultimate. I've been considering letting my Ultimate go, to be honest with you, but I really enjoy the Plus and I really enjoy the Ipsy Original. I think that you're definitely getting your money's worth in those two boxes. Ipsy Ultimate, I keep saying I'm going to give it one more month. Let's give it one more month. March is my birthday month. Maybe March will be amazing. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!